Knee pain is common in physically active males and females, and several common types of injuries are associated with knee pain. Knee pain can come from many things such as knee weakness, osteoarthritis, tendinitis or bursitis. General knee pain often comes from tightness in your leg muscles and the knee joint. Knee pain strengthening and stretching exercise should focus on strengthening the muscles that attach to and cross the knee joint. Strengthening and stretching these muscles will help keep the knee strong to relieve knee pain and reduce knee joint. In this video, I am going to show some exercise to stretch and strengthening the muscles that associated with knee joint. We will see first what is a knee joint, movements happens at a knee joint, and bones and muscles involved in a knee joint movement. The knee joint consists of the end of femur bone connecting with the top of the tibia and fibula. The two main actions happen at a knee joint are flexion and extension. Flexion is a movement that reduces angle between two bones at a joint, and extension is the movement that increases the angle between two bones at the joint. Hamstrings muscles, semitendinous, semimembranous and biceps femoris are the muscles work in knee flexion, and quadriceps muscles, rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, vastus medialis and vastus intermedius are works in knee extension. This video will show you some very simple but effective knee strengthening exercise and stretching without having to go to any gyms or buying any weights. Heel and calf stretch. This stretch targets the muscle in your lower leg, specifically your calf muscles. To do this stretch, stand facing a wall, place your hands on the wall and move one foot back as far as you can go comfortably. Toes on both feet should be facing forward, heels flat with a slight bend in your knees. Lean into the stretches and hold for 30 seconds. You should feel the stretch in your back leg, change legs and repeat. Do this stretch twice for both legs. Quadriceps stretch. This stretch specifically targets your quadriceps, the muscles at the front of your thighs. Performing this move can help improve the flexibility in your hip flexors and quadriceps muscles. To do this stretch, stand next to a wall or use a chair for support. Your feet should be shoulder width apart. Bend one knee so your foot goes up towards your gluteus. Grab your ankle and gently pull it towards your gluteus as far as you can comfortably. Hold for 30 seconds. Return to the straight position and changes leg. Repeat 2 times on each side. Hamstring stretch. This stretch targets your hamstrings, the muscles in your back of your thigh. You should feel the stretch in the back of your leg and up to the base of your gluteus. If you flex your feet, you may also feel the stretches in your calf. To do this stretch, lie down on the floor or a mat and straighten both legs. Or if it's more comfortable, you can bend both knees with your feet flat on the floor. Lift one leg off the floor. Place your hands behind your thighs but below the knee and gently pull your knees towards your chest until you feel a slight stretch. This shouldn't be painful. Hold for 30 seconds. Lower and change the legs. Repeat 2 times on each side. Half squat. Half squats are an excellent way to strengthen your quadriceps, gluteus and hamstrings without straining your knees. To do this exercise, get into a standing squat position with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands on your hips or out in front of you for a balance. Looking straight ahead, slowly squat down about 10 inches. This is the halfway point to a full squat. Pause for a few seconds, then stand up by pushing through your heels. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Calf raises. This exercise strengthens the back of your lower leg, which includes your calf muscles. To do this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder width apart, positioning yourself next to a wall or hold on to the back of a chair for support. Lift both your heels off ground so that you are standing on a ball of your feet. Slowly lower your heels to the starting position. Control is important with this exercise for strengthening your calf muscles. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions. Hamstring curl. The standing hamstring curl targets your hamstrings and gluteus. It also requires good core strengthening to keep your upper body and hips steady. To do this exercise, stand facing a wall or use a chair for support. Your feet should be hip width apart. Lift one foot up, bend your knees and raise your heels toward the ceiling. Go as far as you can while keeping your upper body still and hip pointing forward. Hold for 5 to 10 seconds, relax and lower to the starting position. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each leg. Leg extensions. Using your own body weight rather than a weighted machine to strengthen your quadriceps help keep added pressure off your knees. To do this exercise, sit up tall in a chair, put your feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Look straight ahead, contract your thigh muscles and extend one leg as high as possible without raising your buttocks off the chair. Pause, then lower to the starting position. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each leg. Straight leg raises. The straight leg raises strengthen your quadriceps as well as your hip flexors muscles. If you flex your foot at the end of the move, you should also feel your shin tighten. As this exercise gets easier to do, you can add a 5-pound ankle weight and gradually work up to heavier weights as you build strengthen your legs. To do this exercise, lie down on the floor with one leg bent and one leg straight out in front of you. Contract the quadriceps of your straight leg and slowly raise it up off the floor until it's same height as your bent knee. Pause at the top for 5 seconds, then lower to the starting position. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each leg. Side leg raises. This exercise works your hip abductor muscles as well as your gluteus. Your hip abductors muscles located on the outside of your hips help you to stand, walk and rotate your legs with ease. Strengthening these muscles can help prevent and treat pain in the hip and knees. To do this exercise, lie on your side with your legs stacked on top of each other. Cradle your head in your head and place your other hand on the floor in front of you. Raise your top leg as high as you comfortably can. You should feel this on the side of your hips. Pause briefly at the top, then lower your leg. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each leg. Prone leg raises. This exercise works your hamstrings as well as your gluteus. To do this exercise, lie on your stomach with your legs straightened out behind you. You can let your head rest on your arms. Engage your glute and hamstrings muscles in your left leg and lift your leg as high as you comfortably can without causing pain. Be sure to keep your pelvic bones on the floor throughout this exercise. Hold your leg in the lifted position for 5 seconds. Lower your leg, rest for 2 seconds, then repeat. Do 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions for each leg.